it. So guys, oh, I can't open it. Okay. Can't wait till I'm at the end of the video.
Sure.
Okay, so first one. Avatar: The Last Airbender. Huh? Airbender. And so in my class was this? Come on, look what I got.
Oh, it's so cute.
Okay, next one. Next one. Oh, I keep getting toys. This one's oh, I love these! Fingerlings. Ma, look.
Oh my gosh, so cute.
I know, I'm getting all toys. Next one. Yes, JoJo Siwa head. Look, Mom. Mom.
Oh my gosh, cool.
I think this is a toy, but I'm not sure. I didn't look. Super Ball! I don't even know what this is. Mama,
Cool.
I don't even know what that is. Yeah.
Are you done?
No, not yet.
Oh,
Oh.
there's stuff in there.
Ooh, a Robo Fish. I looked at these a lot.
Cool.
Okay, guys. That's the end of it. Bye.